students, let's see what are molecules. A molecule is the smallest unit of any substance that can exist independently and it shows the properties of that substance. For example, water. Water is made up of small units called water molecules. Now let's see what are the different types of molecules. The first is molecule of element and the second type is molecule of compound. Let's see what are molecules of element. If the atoms of one element or we can say same element combine, then the molecule of element is formed, like O2 molecule of oxygen, O3 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन है जिसको हम ओजोन कहते हैं, P4 इट इज अ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ फॉस्फोरस. Now what is atomicity? How many atoms are combining to make a molecule? That we say atomicity. So atomicity is a number of atoms that combine and form a molecule. In case of helium, only single atom can exist independently. So we say it is a monoatomic molecule. But in case of O2, two atoms combine and it exists independently. So the molecule of oxygen has two atoms and its atomicity is 2. In case of ozone, 3 atoms are combined. So we say the atomicity is 3, and in case of phosphorus, 4 atoms combine and we say its atomicity is 4. Next, what are the molecules of compound? If the atoms of different elements combine, like in case of water, hydrogen and oxygen, दोनों की atoms combine कर रहे हैं, so हमें मिलता है water molecule. In case of ammonia, 3 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of nitrogen combine and it make a molecule of ammonia. In case of carbon dioxide, 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atoms combine and carbon dioxide molecule is formed. In case of methane, the atomicity is 5 because 5 atoms are combining, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. So these are molecules of a compound.